Hi everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel video I'm going to show you how to use the type function to quickly identify the kind of data stored in each cell. This is a great way to troubleshoot mixed data, confusing entries, or anything that looks like one thing but behaves like another. Let's get started. So here I have a fictional spreadsheet with student information: names, phone numbers, emails, student IDs, fees, and a few extra values. At first glance, it looks straightforward, but in reality, I've got a mix of text, numbers, errors, formulas, and even logical values. I want to drill down and see exactly what type of data each cell contains. Step 1. Use the type function on a single cell. I'm going to click into cell A17 and type the formula equals type left parenthesis, A16 right parenthesis. Before I press enter, Excel gives a nice reminder. The type function returns an integer code that represents a data category. 1 means number. 2 means text. 4 means logical, true or false. 16 means error value. 64 means array, and Excel will show whichever applies. I'll press enter, and because A16 contains the name Mason, Excel correctly tells me it's type 2. Text. I've added a little legend to the right so you can match each code to its meaning as we work. Step 2. Apply the type function to an entire row of data. Now, instead of retyping the formula over and over, I can expand it with the autofill handle. I'll click the formula I just created. Grab the small green square in the bottom right corner of the cell, click and drag across my entire row of data, and release. Immediately, I can see some things I might not have expected. All the phone numbers are marked as text, not numbers. Email addresses are also text, which makes sense. Student numbers might look numeric, but they're actually stored as text as well. The fees appear as type 1, numbers, even though the cells contain formulas. Step 3. Understand how type handles formulas. This is an important detail. Type evaluates the result of a formula, not the formula itself. So if a formula produces a number, like the fee amounts here, type will label it as 1, even though the underlying content is a formula. Over here, I also have a 16, which means there's an error in that cell. Excel can detect that automatically. And right next to it, I have 4, which indicates a logical value, true or false. Step 4. Type can even identify arrays. Let me show you one more example. I'll click into cell D18 and type equals type left parenthesis, and then I'll click and drag to highlight a whole array, then right parenthesis. Spoken aloud. Short type D13, D17. If that were the range. When I press enter, Excel returns 64, which means the input was an array. And that's really all there is to it. Type is a simple but surprisingly powerful way to check what you're actually working with inside your spreadsheet, especially when things look confusing or inconsistent. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so you're notified when I post another Excel video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.